I need to find the pH of a buffer solution containing NH₄Cl, weak acid, and NH₄O, weak base. *** given information, pKa of NH₃ equals 5 NH₄ to the power plus, from NH₄Cl equals 0.01 m, acid component, NH₃, or NH₄O equals 0.10 m, base component, volume equals 1 liter ***. Step 1. Identify the buffer system ***. This is an NH₄ to the power plus divided by NH₃ buffer, or NH₄Cl divided by NH₄O buffer. The pKa given, 5, refers to NH₄ to the power plus ionization, NH₄ to the power plus right-lefter Poon's NH₃ plus H to the power plus ***. Step 2. Apply Henderson-Hasselbalch equation ***. pH equals pKa plus log, base, over, acid, pH equals pKa plus log, NH₃, over, NH₄ to the power plus, ***. Step 3. Substitute values ***. pH equals 5 plus log 0.10 over 0.01 pH equals 5 plus log 10, pH equals 5 plus 1 equals 6 ***. Answer, pH equals 6 ***. The buffer works because NH₄O is the weak base and NH₄Cl provides NH₄ to the power plus, weak acid. Since the ratio of base to acid is 10:1, the pH is 1 unit above the pKa, giving pH equals 6. The answer is D.